ako yung mga bata. Sobrang laki ng improvement and sobrang laki pa ng igagaling na team. Kamusta yung ganito na makapag-perform tayo sa harap ng mga part ng ano? Siyempre, ayun nga, happy naman kami lagi na nakakapag-perform kami sa harap ng maraming Filipino fans. So, sana sa mga susunod pang mga tournament, masuportahan pa po kami.
Sabi mo na before, ito ba yung first mo na makatapat yung ganda mo? Dati ba nakatapat sa Cleveland sila?
Nakalaban ko po sa ABC 2022 and SEA Games po.
Di ba tinalo din sila, no?
Hindi po. Hindi pa po.
Ano yung masasabi mo doon sa number 10 na bago lang kasi naglaro yun? So ano masasabi mo sa kanya?
Actually, nakalaban ko po siya. Kasama ko si Ate Lai, si Ate Ceci. Pero hindi pa siya talaga naglalaro the whole game. So, ito yung game na talagang babad siya. And talagang nag-perform siya ng sobra sa atin. Pinagandaan tayo. And nakita naman natin kung gaano karami ang nakontribute ng points sa team nila. So, at least nakita natin, naramdaman natin as Alas Pilipinas kung paano yung ilalaro nila.
Anong feeling na naglalaro ka ulit sa Pilipinas?
Siyempre proud ako sa naging part ako nito. Siyempre happy lang ako lagi kasi ito yung time para mag-improve din, para mag-grow as a player and para pa meron pa akong matutunan sa mga kasama ko.
Gemma, from outside, naging libero, outside quality yun. Kamusta lang yung mga huling nakaraang araw entering this game na yun nga, yung role mo uncertain pero ngayon nakapaglaro ka naman na full.
Dahil nga, syempre hindi natin na-expect yung mga nangyayari sa loob ng team namin. So, doon tayo focus sa kung paano masasolve yung problema. So, ako naman kung ano lang ibibigay sa akin ni Coach, gagawin ko naman yung best ko, yung part ko, para lang makatulong sa Pilipinas.
Sobrang grateful kami na nakaharap namin yung Vietnam, ang dami namin natutunan, ang dami namin kailangan pang i-improve. And syempre, sobrang saya kasi ang dami nakapanood, lalo-lalo na mga kapwa Pilipino natin dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya, ayun, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat na support.
Sisi, medyo mahirap talaga to begin with, nakalaban nyo Vietnam. Can you talk about lang yung puso, yung motivation ng team sa pagharap niyo sa Vietnam?
Kanina nag-huddle lang kami, sabi lang natin siya na wala dapat iisipin, ipakita lang namin kung ano yung kaya namin gawin. And alam naman natin na meron kami kakayahan na hindi nila
from the ABC, and then when you see your opponent putting your best player to play, means that you're growing up. That's what I tell for our players there inside, that they did a good job. They have to put the first six to play against us.
Coach, you guys showed a lot of promise today. Like, if you go back again, you almost told us what do you want to build on heading into your training camp?
Every game is a different story. Means that you have really to be steady as a team. 12 days training, but complete since yesterday is not enough. You know that. What I really have to do is this training camp in Japan will help us, but also we need to have our players one time together to work, so we can add something in the system will be okay too. And step by step, growing up.
Coach, what are you looking forward in the CB League next month?
Hopefully we can keep these players. It's always, I don't know how to say that we're going to stay with these guys, but since we have 14 days in Japan to practice, hopefully it'll be better. You can do some changes, some chemistry will be better because we'll be working every single day together, training for 2 times a day. It's good, much better. And it's only 4 teams, so it's always hard matches. It's good.
Coach, your initial impressions on Bella Belen and Gemma Galan sa return to the national team?
Well, it's not first impression. They always here. They always play on the national team, but they have the face of the national team. They are really good players, so it's always a good acquisition for us.
Coach, how different is this Alas Pilipinas team compared to the ABC team?
It's too short to compare, but right now I can feel the the power inside of our players. Not only now, they always have, but after winning, you have some. You're addicted by the happiness, and you know we never give up. Sorry, you see, we are there playing, and it's 22 points behind, but we always fight. That's what we need now.